Good morning, guys. It's another day. So, guys, I am so sad right now because, as you know, I've been sewing and now they're closing down this store for Fabricstore, and I have to go there to get some few stuff before they close down. Outfit of the day. So, I will see you there, guys. I will show you where I get my fabric.
Sondern auch, weil es eine weitere Herausforderung in der Entwicklung für unsere junge Mannschaft ist. Personell sind alle soweit an Bord, auch Abwehrchef Robin Koch. Die UEFA hat nämlich bestätigt, dass eine Gelbsperre, von der die Eintracht ausgegangen war, für dieses Spiel gar nicht besteht. Das ist etwas hasiger.
Gerade scheint bei uns die Sonne. Kommt bei euch auf? Das ist schön. Gleich gut für die Laune. Die Temperaturen steigen auf, bestenfalls auf 11 Grad heute. Das ist der letzte milde Tag vorerst. Am Nacht wird es kühler, es gibt Regenwetter, oben auch Schnee. Die Temperaturen gehen auch wieder in den Minusbereich bis minus 3 Grad sind möglich. Morgen Maximalwerte von bis zu 6 Grad plus 0. So, jetzt gucken wir auf die Straßen. Es ist 2 Minuten.
So check up. Oh my god, I was bleeding, but these are amazing. So guys, I'm here at the doctor. Hi guys, so guys, I'm just coming from the dentist. So I had an appointment. They had to do, like, you know, you have to go to cleaning every year at least twice. So I had an appointment. I'm just coming from there. Oh my god, yeah, okay. Anyways, so before then, today, as you know, I went to get some fabric. Let's look, you know, guys, Valentine's is around the corner, and here we go. I just got this. Anyway, I went there because, guys, they are closing the fabric store, and it was the only one remaining at our place, and now they are closing it. So they started, and I thought, okay, let me go there and check on what they have, but I didn't like the prices. Anyway, but I got some stuff. So I have also this lila one. It's a satin. Look at that satin, which I want to make a dress as well. You know, I'm always the one who want to save. So I was looking always for the good prices. Excuse me. I got this as well. This is the same fabric. Also, I'm going to make amazing dress. I'll say maybe a blouse as well if it's remaining. So this one, yeah, I wanted this. It's so crazy. I wanted this, but I didn't get enough. Somebody already was before me, and he took it almost everything, and this one is remaining, and they just gave it to me because I'm a good customer to them. She told me, okay, I will just give it to you. Yeah. And I have this another golden one. Guys, look, this is looking amazing. Yeah, I'm looking forward to something beautiful. So yeah, it's really transparent, as you can see, but I love the way it's shimmering. It's gold, you see, and you know, like, this color is now really on fashion. Guys, look at that. It's georgette or something, I don't know what you call it, but it's looking amazing. This is what I'm going to be sewing as well. Amazing, something really amazing. I haven't decided yet what, but yeah. So I have like 5-6 fabrics, and I have also this for ironing on, because I needed for something I wanted to sew some dress. And yeah, but I am so sad because, you know, like, when I wanted to buy some when I want to buy some fabric, I will just drive there really quick, get nice fabric, You know, I don't like really ordering fabric online because sometimes you never know how, if it's the right one, if it's the right touch, you know, the texture and all this stuff. I don't like doing it, but now I have no option. Either, I don't know if because around here in our town, there's no any other shop, so maybe I have to go to different towns to look for places where I can get fabric. But for now, I have enough fabric in my sewing room. So I'll be designing with those until further notice, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. I'm in love with this one. I just want to start, but first of all, I need to sew my Valentine's outfit. So that one I have to start working on it, because today is the 30th, guys, 30th of January. So we need to do something. Right, Valentine's is in some few days. So it's time. It's time. Yeah. And as you can see, look at that. I love the pattern. I don't know if you can see that, guys. It has some kind of pattern. Yeah. I wanted to make a skirt like, but I'm not sure. I will see what I'm going to wear. I'm going to sew on this. I will sit down and think, and then you will come along with me when I start sewing my Valentine's outfit. So I need to take my painkiller because this girl, she was just cleaning my. She's really picked me a lot, several times, and I need to take a painkiller a little bit, and then I will see you what to do next. I got a lot of stuff to do, but I will see you guys in between when I continue with this vlog. Then see you guys. Yeah, you know, we are doing a series of my German living, my living in Germany series. So was it the third one or the fourth one is coming soon, so stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.